Hi, this is Lars with RoadBikeRider.com, and today I am going to tell you about the Park Tool IB3 multi-tool. And the reason why it's IB is because it has this I-beam feature, which is part of the tool. It slides right off this beam right there, and then it turns into a tire lever, which is metal, and it's covered with plastic, so it's not going to mar your rims. And it has a little hex wrench in there, which also drives the chain tool when you want to break a chain, because this tool does have a chain breaker included. Now, this IB3 has a ton of different features. It's a good tool if you want to do everything. It has tire levers, a chain tool, a Torx, a flathead screwdriver, and 8 different hex wrenches, which will get you solved for most situations. It has 2 spoke wrenches that are part of this tool right here, and one thing it's missing is a Phillips screwdriver. It does have a flathead. Now, this tool does a lot, but it's kind of big and pretty heavy. It's 170 grams, so that's around 6 ounces. You can really sort of feel the heft in your hand, and it also takes up quite a bit of room in your bag. But you know, if you're worried about having to adjust spokes or worried about a broken chain, and you want something that's going to take care of that, then it's within the weight range of other tools that also have all these features. Like everything from Park Tool, it's very well built. It's got their signature blue color. It's a really nice tool. I bought this at retail, and I've carried it quite a bit over the past couple of years in one of my bike bags. And this is a good multi-tool that you should consider for your road bike.